Hello, future Americans. I am Chandy West. I'm the mayor of... What the fuck is this show? The little frick. Hello, future Americans. I am Chandy West. I'm the mayor of mayonnaise. All of it. Through making this show, I will be showing what life is like here in mayonnaise for all future generations who might be into ketchup by then or some sort of flavored paste. The friggin' millennials nowadays need to get off their phones and just cover their bodies in mayo. I don't get what the friggin' deal is. Friggin' ludicrous. They gotta do that. They gotta cover their bodies in mayo or it won't even work. That's true. Look it up, I'm a newscaster. Today with us, as always, is one Mr. Fake Donald Trump. I will say some stuff about other kinds of stuff inside a sentence, with some questions that I will ask and he will then answer. It's kind of a call and response kind of concept that I came up with. We're going to call it a colonoscopy because it's such a silly word. I don't know what it means, but... Glad to be here. Glad to be here! So much for Trump. What's your view on politics? Look at this guy. The politics. Haha, look at this guy. Haha, look at this guy. The politics. 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone. This is SNL. I'm SNL. We have real Donald Trump here today for the 16th time this week. I'm going to say that this joke was funny only in 2016. Glad to be here. Glad to be here. You're Trump. You're Donald. You're Trump. Politics. Politics. You're not the guy from the Geico commercials, are you? Are you? You mean the gecko? You mean the gecko? You mean the gecko? Politics. I meant politics? Ah, yes, politics. This is a great song! Oh, fuck. That fucking hurt. I'm the ball boy. Hi everybody. I'm just Chase Allen Brown from before, silly. I'm the host of the show, you frickin' horse. Horse alert! Horse alert! That's a friggin' horse alert! I knew that. I knew my name. I knew it. I didn't have to look at the script. I'm not stupid or something. There's nothing in this cup. Today we are going to talk about lying. Look at your paper, silly. This is just a drawing of a dragon from my dreams. It's about nature. Spoiler alert! Spoiler alert!
3, 2, 1, go.
Today we're going to talk about nature. However, first we have to thank Alec Ballboy for his great performance as President Barack Trump. Here he is, Alec Baldwin. Here, Ballboy. Here, Ballboy. Here, Ballboy. Here, Ballboy. Here, Bone to meet you, Chase. We already met. Remember when we rehearsed our lines for this live interview? So I mostly work at tennis matches, but sometimes baseball games. Doing what, might I ask? I'm the ball boy? And you may ask. Nice to meet you, Chasey. Nice to meet you, Chasey. Bye. Nature is all around us. In our feet, in our grass, and for some lucky players, nature could be in our toes. Nature was made by the astronauts when they landed on the harbor in 1994. Back when women, they only sleep with animals instead of human boys, and that made the whole animal kingdom. Isn't that right, Mr. Bowles? Well said, compadre. I'm only boy. And now, Chase the Ace is on the inside the plate.
Alec, next time don't talk so much, you brat. This is my damn show, not yours. Now get back in your cage now, boy. Get in your friggin' cage, you ball boy.
Tell me what I meant, friend. Am I a friend? I'm not? Okay. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go! Hi, I'm Chase the Ace. And I'm on the inside of the plates. Well, boy, isn't nature just all around us, on our feet, in our grass, and for some lucky players, nature's in our tooth. I have this little baby boy guidebook to help us on our travels. Now, why don't you, viewers at home, join me in giving this little baby boy guidebook a little kiss, a little peck. Very good. Now, why don't we just get started on this adventure? So, why don't you come with me? Why don't you just come with me? And Camera John, just come. Just come. 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 Just come. Come right now. Come on, let's go. Just come. Come on, okay. Come on. Come on. Good. That's a breast. Elbows, there's the fingers, there's the testicle, penis, heart, chest. This is the head of the cortex. And this is monitoring content. There's friends and sexual activity. Dealing with peer pressure is right over there, back there. It's time to hibernate. Alright, cool, thanks. Hello everybody, welcome back to the break. Hello everybody, welcome back to the break. Now, we are out of ideas. Haha. I kid. So now we are going to do the thing that we came here to do, which is an eyewitness report. Oh yeah. An eyewitness report.
Danny, I don't know what the heck that is.
Didn't you? No.
Danny, I don't know what the heck that is.
Didn't you learn what that was when you majored in journalism at college?
No, oh no, I was raised as an Orthodox Catholic.
Fuck.
I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. Ha! I'm Chandy Guns Blazing Brown, and you're watching the fucking Disney Channel. We're here at the house of a local teacher who says he had an eyewitness encounter with the famed chupacabra, and supposedly shot the dang thing to death. Now, it is time for me to ask him questions or something like that for the eyewitness report. This should be a train wreck. But it was an eyewitness. It's an eyewitness. There is no doorbell. Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong.
Bro! Who even the frick are you, dude? No, you must be the UPS agent. Well, just go inside and get them clothes off.
No, sir, I'm from the show.
Which show?
No, it's called The Show with Channy West.
That's a stupid name.
What the frick? Well, what can you do? Stripping while painting was already taken. Why don't you tell me a bit about yourself?
We'll see. Well, I'm self-employed, given the whole seeing thing.
Ah, so you're part French.
I'm just gonna ignore that comment and not go down that road.
That's probably for the best. Once I get rambling about the French, that usually makes me pretty horny. And you won't like me when I'm horny.
Okay, well, why don't you come to the backyard? That's where I shot the chupacabra.
Crikey! You sound like a fucking idiot, by the way. Crikey! You sound like a fucking idiot, by the way. Crikey! You sound like a fucking idiot, by the way.
Well, here's the chupacabra. Holy frickin' crongus.
What happened?
It was frickin' self-defense. What the frick? It was self-defense.
Jesus, man. Should we call the cops?
Let's just do the office segment. Let's just do the office segment.
Wait, what? This isn't in the script. No.
Let's just do the office segment. Let's just do the office segment. Now, let's look at silly things we found in the pond. let's look at what we found. Now, let's look at what we found. I just looked at it. It's just rocks and dirt? Now this is friggin' Sicko Mobambo! Now this is cool Sicko Mobamba! What's that? Look at all the cool, fun, silly things I can do with all these dirt and rocks. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, have you guys heard the new Macklemore album? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, have you guys heard the new Macklemore album? Yeah. It's called I Was Only Famous partly in 2013. I don't know, I don't get it. It was a joke the writers did. Hi. Hi. What the frick? Hi, welcome back to Oopsie. I got the squirts with a Chan man. Nope. Hi, welcome back. Hi, welcome back to Oopsie, I got the squirts with the Chan man. Now it's time for our exclusive interview with a live animal, a cougar, to be exact, for it is the nature episode. Welcome to the show, Destiny.
It's nice to be here, Sugar Pie.
That's not my name! I'm the Chan man. 9401.
My B, home slash.
You could just frickin' leave if you want.
My bad. Let's do the interview.
On the phone, I thought I was gonna be interviewing. I was going to interview an actual live cougar, like the animal. Why the frick are you?
I'm a different type of cougar.
With that being said, I will remind you. I only prepared questions for the actual animal, so...
Sounds good with me, friend.
So, question number 1 is, what can you input on the current political climate swelling?
I guess it's pretty chill.
Make me some pasta. Now.
Sorry, but no. You see, I don't consume any silly-looking food such as pasta. I'm more of a no-nonsense person.
Do you like the new Judy Blume novel, Blubber? Because that shit is a masterpiece. My favorite part was probably when Judy Blume walks in on her adopted whale son when he is masturbating. I can't wait for when they make it into a 5-part.
Now we're talking.
Well, how else would I do the interview? A no-talking interview? That's crazy talk. What's your stance on all those rocks I found?
Finally, a good question. Well, I liked the mud better.
How many stars out of 5 would you give the movie called Breakfast? And may I remind you that the film is a prequel to the movie called...
I don't get the joke.
Do you like American history? Cause that crap is freaking great. I love the plot twist.
Which plot twist?
I have to shower. I have to shower. You know I'm in a competitive digging holes in the ground league, right?
That's pretty cool, Sicko Mobamba. Cool, Sicko Mobamba.
It's pretty cool, Sicko Mobamba. Thank y'all for coming. This is my stand-up show. Well, you ever get an eyewitness report with a person who says they shot the chupacabra, but when you get there, they're blind and they just shot a person, not a chupacabra? Boy, oh boy, killing a blind man out of self-defense never felt better. I'm Mayo Phelps, and that's all the time we had for today. I'll see you in the Thunderdome.
Poupée! Thunderdome! I will see you in the Thunderdome! Poupée!
Roll the credits. Roll them. This is a Seinfeld parody.
Poupée!